Hey everyone, Dave Cook at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. So we are doing some graphics today. So one of the things you want to make sure when you start graphics, make sure you have your plans as far as where they're going. This is one of several walls we're doing. And then start unpacking. So the boxes weren't marked very well as far as what panel was in where. So we actually unpacked them, unrolled them, and then we have them laid out here in order, 1 through however many are here. And then the next ones are over there. So you have them in order so we know which ones to grab. I mismarked this one, so we actually pasted it too soon. So it's another example of make sure you check what you're pasting and making sure they're accessible. Make sure you have all your pieces, make sure they're in order, make sure there's no defects to them before you start, because if there's a defect, you get halfway through, you're kind of screwed, and you may not get paid for the day if you didn't inspect your work or inspect the paper like they request. So check the instructions that they tell you is what they want you to do. So the other thing we did was inspect all the walls to make sure there's nothing on the walls, there's no dents, there's no dings, everything was primed, everything's ready to go. And then the other thing we did was layout. We measured several times to get, this is the bottom of the lettering that we're putting in. So this lettering goes from that corner all the way over, feeds this wall, up and over. So we got that laser all the way over just to make sure everything's gonna be straight and we don't have to worry about which piece is going where. We know exactly where they're gonna go. So check your diagram to make sure what you have, make sure you have all your pieces, make sure there's no defective, and then make sure your layout. And then you'll be ready to start hanging your graphics.